Hi everybody. Today we're going to spend some time at the beginning of class setting up our science notebooks. If you haven't already done so, the first thing you should do is write science on the front of your notebook. Okay, this way you can tell it from your other notebooks, right? 'Cause you have a math notebook, an ELA notebook, a social studies notebook. So go ahead and write science on the front. And remember, at any point you can pause this video in order to do what you need to do in your notebook and then go ahead and press play again. You can also always rewind if you need to rewatch a section if you were confused or you missed something. So once you put the title on the front of your notebook, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to work on your title page. The title page is just going to be the next page in your notebook after you open it, that first page of paper. And you're going to be able to come back to this page later on if you want to draw some pictures or anything like that. But for now, I just want you to go ahead and write science at the top. Make sure you put the year. It's going to be 2020 to 2021. This is 5th grade. And then at the bottom right-hand corner, you should write your name. At the end of class today, if you have a little time, come back to this page, add some color, make the word science a little fancier. You can play around with this page over time. Okay? The next thing you're going to do is create your table of contents. Okay, we're going to use this to keep track of all the different pages in our notebook this year. This should be a full page after the title page. So if this is my title page, I skip one page and I've got these two blanks, and these will be, I've got a blank page here, and then on this next page, this page on the right hand side is where you'll write your table of contents. Okay, table of contents at the top. Here's where we'll keep track of the pages, and we'll just start with page 1 today, and we can write what is science. So on page 1, that's the topic we're going to find. We will fill this out every day as we add new notes, and then we can always go back to this in order to find where something is. Okay, so make sure you pause this while you add your table of contents. And then the last thing I'm going to ask you to do for now in your notebook is to number the first 25 pages. Okay, so start 2 pages after the table of contents. So after the table of contents, I'm going to go 1, 2, flip one more page, and that's where I'm going to start my notes for today. So down here at the bottom, you see where I have a number 1. Okay, so go ahead and number the first 25 pages in the bottom corners. I have mine in the bottom outside corners. Okay, so feel free to rewind this video, pause it, do whatever you need to do, take a few minutes to number those pages and make sure your notebook is all set up for today, and then go ahead and follow the next step in the Google Classroom.